This is part 1 of 4 parts of videos that go over the Geometry A final exam review for this year. So the first question is, are points C, G, and H collinear or non-collinear? So if we just highlight C, G, and H, collinear means they have to lie on the same line. And we can see from this that C and G do, but H does not. So this is no. In number 2, are M, N, and O collinear? So M, N, O are on the same line, which is this one. And we need 2 points, any 2 points on the line to name the line. So you have a number of different choices. You could say MN, and make sure you include the line symbol. You could say NO, OM, any 2 points will name that line. For number 3, we need to name the ray. The key here is the ray has to be named with the end point first. So this would be ray AB, and again, the ray symbol. For number 4, name the 4th point in plane WXV. So WXV, if I connect these, it looks like we want to have a slightly slanted plane here. So if I connect up from X, it would have to go to U so that VU is one segment, WX is another segment, and we connect it. So this plane is a little tricky. It would be a diagonal plane. So it would be point U. In number 5, EF is 3x minus 14. Write that right on the diagram. FG is 4x minus 19. And the entire segment from E to G, EG, is 16. So we want to find X, EF, and FG. So first of all, F is not a midpoint. Nothing in this problem says that F would be a midpoint. So we know the entire length. So if we combine EF and FG, it will equal the entire length from E to G. So you want to add these segments up. So combine your like terms. Add 33 to both sides. And X is 7. And we're not finished. We want EF. So 3 times 7 is 21 minus 14. So EF is 7. And then FG would simply be 4 times 7 minus 19, or 16 minus 7. So FG would be 9. So unless F is a midpoint, you cannot set these equal to each other. So since they gave us the entire length, combine them. Number 6, T is the midpoint of SU. So I could put a tick mark at ST and at TU. So this time 9x does equal 5x plus 28. Subtract 5. Divide by 4. So 9 times 7, 63. TU, 35 plus 28, 63. And the entire from S to U, 63 times 2, 126. Let's look at number 7. The measure of angle EOF. EOF, I'm going to highlight that in yellow. EOF, that's 26 degrees. And FOG is 38 degrees. We want the measure of the total angle EOG. So it's a simple addition problem. 26 plus 38, 64 degrees. Just to remind you, supplementary angles, two angles whose measures have a sum of 180 degrees. Complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees. So when you're reading these next problems, number 9 says angle DFG and angle JKL are complementary. So your first thought would be they have to add up to 90. So x plus 2 plus x minus 4 equals 90. 2x minus 2 equals 90. 2x equals 92. And x equals 46. But this says find the measure of each angle. So angle DFG equals 46 plus 2, 48 degrees. And angle JKL equals 46 minus 4, 42 degrees. And we should be correct because 48 plus 42 does equal 90. And finally, question 10. Linear pairs. Remember, linear pairs are supplementary. So linear pairs equal 180 degrees. So x minus 15 plus x plus 77 equals 180. Combine like terms. 2x plus 62 equals 180. Subtract 62. 2x equals 118. Divide by 2. X equals 59. That's not the degree. You can't stop there. So the first one is we do 59 minus 15. So the measure of angle 1 equals 44 degrees. And the measure of angle 2, 59 plus 77, 136 degrees. So that concludes part 1 of the review video.